When it comes to your heating and cooling needs, turn to C&C Air Conditioning. Serving Belford and the surrounding area, we're a top-notch HVAC contractor with more than 45 years of experience working in businesses and homes. We're fully licensed, highly accredited, and equipped and ready to help with major installations, minor repairs, routine maintenance, and more. Our focus has always been our customers, which is why we believe in your complete satisfaction. C&C Air Conditioning Incorporated. Call us or visit us online now.